Hey, welcome back. Math is easy, step by step. In this video, I'd like to talk a little bit about zero exponents rule. And any term that has a zero in its exponent's place is equal to 1, is equal to 1. So again, any term with a 0 in the exponent's place is equal to the value of 1. And I've got a bunch of examples I'd like to go over with you today. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's take a look here. All right, so here for this particular problem, get that lined up. For number 1, I have 3 raised to the 0 exponential power. Well, anything to the power of 0 equals 1. So 3 to the 0 exponential power equals 1. It's that simple. So anywhere you see that, you're just going to substitute a value of 1. All right, so let's take a look here. We have j to the third power times j to the 0 power times j to the 7th power, right? And so what we want to do is simplify this as much as we can before we multiply. And anything to the power of 0 is 1. I just rewrote these two terms. Of course, they're all separated through multiplication. So j to the third power times 1 times j to the 7th power. Let's move forward here. So simply put, I have 1j times 1 times 1j raised to the 7th power. And remember, when you multiply, you add those exponents. So 1 times 1 times 1 is 1j, and 7 plus 3 is to the 10th power. So it's really that simple. If you need some review multiplying with exponents, I have placed a handful of videos for you. Go ahead and check those out. All right, let's take a look at number 3. If I'm going too fast, please stop, rewind. These videos, you're capable of doing that at any time on your own. So again here, anything to the 0 power, 4 to the 0 power plus 5 to the 0 power plus 7 to the 0 power is 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 3. All right, I got a handful of more videos I would love to show you. Let's get them lined up here. And so here's another example on the new page. Technically, I think this is example 4, but that's all right. We're just going to move along. So here we have x to the 0 power plus 3. And in order to move forward, I want to simplify this term. X to the 0 is 1. It equals 1. So I'm going to substitute a 1 where I see x to the 0 here. And so you will see 1 plus 3 equals 4. 1 plus 3 equals 4. All right, let's do a couple more examples here before we finish this particular video. Technically, this is example number 5, but on this page, it's number 2. So let's take a look. What do we have here? Ooh, wow, this looks like a real heavy-duty term. Lots of terms in there, lots of values, lots of letters, lots of exponents. 15 times x to the 7th power times y to the 10th power divided by z to the 2nd power raised to a power of 0. That means everything in here, since it's raised to the power of 0, hey, equals 1. That equals 1. And I think we have a final example I have set aside here for you. This does involve the order of operations. So you do need to kind of be familiar with what I call PEMDAS. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Parentheses, exponents, parentheses, exponents, multiply, divide, add, subtract. You go in that particular order. So since we don't have any parentheses, we do have an exponent. I'm going to simplify that and then rewrite everything else. 5 to the 0 power is 1. I'm going to rewrite 15 times 1 minus 13. So then we follow that PEMDAS, please, order of operations it's called. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. So we don't have any parentheses. There are no longer any more exponents. Can I multiply or divide? Yes. So 15 times 1 is 15. I just rewrite that minus 13 or negative 13, right? The subtraction sign goes with this term, which makes it a negative 13. So 15 plus negative 13 will give me 2. Look at it this way. I have $15. I owe you $13. That's a negative 13. How much am I going to have left over after I pay you? I will have $2. And again, you go through the order of operations with this last step. Parentheses, exponents, multiply or divide, add or subtract. And 15 minus 13 leaves me an answer of 2. I hope this video has been helpful for you. Math is easy if you take it step by step. Hey, thanks for joining me.